think next time I need to make it better. Cut on the end so I don't have that little hinge piece left there.
All right, here we are at the black walnut. And if anybody's watching this up in the Midwest, y'all don't laugh at me because y'all have so many of them. We don't. I don't know of a commercial black walnut plantation or orchard around here anywhere. But you can kind of get an idea how big it is. Stand up close to it, Nathan. So Nathan's what, about 2'3"? So this makes it a 4 foot. No, I don't know. Nathan's 5.5 feet tall or so, and this thing's about 24 inches or slightly larger here at the base. And then it goes from down there at the root to where the first fork is 36 feet. So we're going to get some nice looking lumber, I hope, out of this. There are a few places you can see where there's some kind of either disease or there was an old limb on the side, but we've got at least 16 to 20 feet with nothing, no, anomalies on it. So we've been taking some of the top out. We got it on the Kubota, the 900 over here. I don't think we're going to be able to put this trunk on there or pull it. So we'll have to get the John Deere over here, the tractor, and try to skid this thing up to the top of the hill where we can get it on a trailer or something. But we're not going to mess with that today. We're going to wait till we have some sharp blades, and we've got some other log sawed up over at the yard right now, so we have room for it. We need to finish cleaning out a area in the shed so we can stack it and sticker it and get it out of the weather. But I don't think anything's happening to her right now. She's just sitting here still growing. You can see the limbs growing out of the top. It actually grew walnuts on the crown this year. There were actually walnuts growing on the limbs. So she's still good and healthy. Can't wait to get her and see what she looks like inside. So it's gonna be nice.